Create a new file with this details. Open first image. Download link in description. Go to select. Choose select subject. Add layer mask to selection. Then convert it to smart object. Drag and drop it to main document. Create a layer mask. Choose brush. Select a soft round brush. Make sure foreground color is black. Create a black and white adjustment layer. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Create an exposure adjustment layer. Apply the following settings. Create a vibrance adjustment layer. Follow the settings. Select this layers. Press Ctrl G to group. Choose Ellipse tool and follow the process. Insert background image. Adjust size and position accordingly. Add a layer mask on background image. Choose brush and follow the process. Create a black and white adjustments layer. Clip mask it to bottom layer. Decrease opacity around 20%. Choose Type tool. And follow the process.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Double-click on text layer. Choose Gradient Overlay. Then copy the following settings. Insert ball image. Go to Filter menu. Blur. Motion blur. Apply this settings. Then click OK. Adjust the size accordingly. Drag and drop it to under the text layer. Make a copy and reposition it. Press Ctrl-Shift-Alt-E to get merged copy from all layers. Convert it to Smart Object. Open Camera Raw Filters. And apply this settings.